The Lost Monkey Story. Once upon a time, in a big jungle, there was a little monkey named Miko. He loved to play and jump from tree to tree. One day, while playing, Miko wandered too far from his home. When he stopped to rest, he realized he was lost. Miko felt scared and started to cry. He did not know how to find his way back. Just then, a wise old elephant named Ramu saw him. "Why are you crying, little one?" Ramu asked kindly. "I am lost and don't know how to go home," Miko said. Ramu smiled and said, "Don't worry, always remember your way when you go far. Now let's find a home together." Ramu and Miko asked other animals if they had seen Miko's family. The parrot saw Miko's mother looking for him near the banana trees. Miko ran to his mother and hugged her. "Thank you, Ramu. I will always remember my way next time," Miko said. Moral of the story: always be careful and remember your way when you go far. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.